Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Let's take a look at the bridge to Here Comes the Sun. It looks like this. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Great benefits to this riff. We are working on our finger picking. We have a bass line in there. We're going to do a arrangement technique where we can play the melody line and chords at the same time. And we're going to work on a classical / fingerstyle technique of shifting our finger picking fingers. So let's dive into it. To start, we are looking at our D chord. And I wrote this out as a dotted half note, but you can play whatever strum pattern that you want right here. I like the down, down, up, down, up strum. And when you go to the and a 4, you're going to lift off these two fingers. So it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up. And you can lift off all 3 fingers too if you want. It'll sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Either way is fine. It doesn't matter. But you're going to land on this A chord. And that's going to play the melody line that people will recognize in the recording of this song. So let's practice going like that. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. I like to do it where I'm doing the A chord like this. Just in general, I like to play my A chord this way because it gives me more room for my fingers to squeeze when I do it like this rather than like that. So after you do that, then you're going to play the chord melody, which looks like this. And so but all you're going to do is just take the ring finger or whatever finger is on this string right here and then do that. This note is also staccatoed, so that way there's more space for this bass line to come out, but you don't have to staccato this note either. And you staccato this chord by placing your right hand on the strings like that. And it's also going to set you up to be able to play your bass line with the thumb. So let's just try this together. Like that. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, last time. And now the bass line looks like this. It's a grouping of 3. I would recommend that you use your middle finger for this because it's going to set you up to play the F chord that's coming up. But you can also do this and then just put your fingers like that. I think that it's a lot easier ergonomically to just use the middle finger right there. But let's try the bass line real quick. It's just like that. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Your F chord, you can play it like this, where you have your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, first finger on the 1st fret of the B. This is actually an F major 7 voicing, which is a great substitute for an F chord, especially in the key of C. It's a lot easier to play than this F or this F or this F. It's just a lot easier. So now let's do like that. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. 1 last time, go. And then this part is groupings of 3, and it goes F to C to G. And you're going to play the F chord like this. Then you're going to take these 2 fingers and move them up a string to play your C chord. And here is where we can apply a new classical technique, which is where we're taught that this finger always plays G, this finger always plays B, this finger always play high E. But what you can do is you can take these fingers and you can shift them to different parts of the strings. So that way, just depending on what you're playing, your thumb doesn't have to do as much work to play all these bottom 3 strings, which is what I typically will do. So now I do it like this: thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, middle, which to me doesn't require as much brain power as and hopefully if this is something that you adopt, then you can also transfer. This just gives you a lot more finger picking flexibility in general, is being able to shift where your fingers go. So I would highly recommend that you try practicing it this way. But if not, you can just use your thumb as normal for the bottom 3 and then use this finger for the G string. But we're going to go like that. And to play the G, just take your C, take this ring finger, move it up a string, and then you can just play a 1-fingered G chord. Just like that. So, 1, 2, go. F to C to G. Let's try that again. 1, 2, go. Let's do it 2 more times. 1, 2, go. Last time. Here we go. And now let's do the entire thing. So we're going to go like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we'll go into the lick. So let's start at this D. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, mute, to F, to C, to G. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, up, down, up. The staccato is optional. F to C to G. And let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, mute. F to C to G. End on the D. Alrighty. Great job, everybody. So this was the complicated bridge of Here Comes the Sun. See y'all in the practice video.